The Cambrian period, life's Big Bang. Approximately 541 million years ago, a unique period in Earth's history began, the Cambrian period. This period marked a period when life on Earth almost completely changed, complexity suddenly increased, and biodiversity exploded. This event, known as the Cambrian explosion, is a turning point in life's evolutionary history and is still studied with great interest by scientists. Before the Cambrian, the world had a relatively calm and simple biological structure. Creatures living during the Ediacaran period were mostly soft-bodied, simple-structured organisms. However, when the Cambrian began, an incredible transformation suddenly took place. It was as if nature, after a long period of silence, had unleashed all its creativity. Within a few short million years, creatures with complex organs, skeletons, eyes, joints, and defense mechanisms emerged. The most striking feature of this period was that organisms began to develop hard shells, exoskeletons, and teeth. This radically altered both hunting strategies and defense mechanisms. Food chains became more complex. Competition increased in ecosystems, and organisms had to develop new traits to survive. This rapid adaptation process led to an explosion of biodiversity that seemed to have occurred all at once in evolutionary history. The Burgess Shale, with its exceptionally well-preserved fossil record, is like a time capsule of the Cambrian period. The intriguing and peculiar creatures found here, such as Anomalocaris, Hallucigenia, and Opabinia, prove what a unique ecosystem that period was. The body plans of some species are so unusual that scientists still debate how these creatures lived and to which group they belonged. There is no definitive explanation for the Cambrian explosion. There are many theories, including rising oxygen levels, chemical changes on the seafloor, the rapid development of predator-prey relationships, increased genetic diversity, and relative climate stability. This massive explosion was likely triggered not by a single cause, but by a combination of factors. This period also marks the first appearance of most of the animal phyla we know today. In other words, the origins of many animal groups living today date back to the Cambrian period. This demonstrates the evolutionary significance of this period. The Cambrian period is an era in which life leaped from simplicity to complexity. Ecosystems took shape and evolution accelerated. This explosion played a significant role in life on Earth reaching its current form. The Cambrian period can be considered nature's greatest testing laboratory. In a short period, countless life forms emerged. Some went extinct, and others shaped the future of our planet.